Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
You see this shit? This how the trains be looking in the mornings. This how the trains be looking in the morning. Like, this shit is crazy, blood. This shit's stupid, big. And they want us to pay more money. And look at this. This is crazy, my beloved. This is crazy, beloved. This shit is crazy. This should make you not want to sit on trains and all that, big.
This is Allerton Avenue.
This shit crazy, beloved. And they want more money. Y'all niggas is crazy. MTA, y'all gotta do something. Y'all gotta do better. MTA gotta do better, B. Word up. I'm sorry.
Complaints will make throughout the whole of United States. People from Chicago say, that I know nothing yet. Well, not in my language, you know, so me a Jamaican, you see me? So, in their language, people from Chicago is like, that ain't nothing yet, you know? You should see Chicago's train and all these things. So by the time I said, Jano, then if this dirty so, can you imagine Philemon? That's them I put so much emphasis on this whole thing, as I say, and expression at the same time. Really and truly, me not tell a lie. Me have to wonder why the train look like this. Me have to wonder if because of the homeless people, them actually asleep on the train at night time or something, or is that people just throw a bag of garbage whenever them reach on the train. Most likely at that. You see me, because I same thing happen with the whole bus system in Jamaica or in the Caribbean. You know, people take a bus and just throw them garbage all over the place. You see me? Even through the window. You see me? If you're in your car, sit down, you have to be careful to car. You have a time when people like them all spit out a piece of ice. If them see them spit, them just turn them head through the window and just go so hawk, toot. You see me? Straight in your face if you're not mind sharp. So all these things, you see me, I said, right through the world, you know, it's like it look like just people that throughout the world. I don't know. It's like it's just something. You know, no matter the race. It goes to show you that everybody is the same because they do the same thing. Very similar. You see? Yeah, but you don't know the thing already. Just let me know to think about the situation. Alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla. And this way just say the dancer Skilla ENT. You want to big up on yourself, yeah, my people. You see?